Hello, my name is Ghulam Abbass, and in this video we are going to make an iOS application for Flutter. First you have to open your Android Studio and then create a project with Flutter. So click here, click new Flutter project, okay? Then click next. Then you need to set the location of your project. Click here. I'm gonna choose this location, and here I'm gonna write Flutter iOS, create, and then open, and then make sure you have checked the platform Android and iOS. Maybe you want it for web as well, but this is optional. Okay, so click finish. So this will create our Flutter project. Alright, so it is done. And one thing I would recommend is that you should run Flutter build APK once, because to make sure everything is set up correctly. This will take a few seconds to build the Android application, and then we will build our iOS application with Xcode. Okay, it is done. So now so that means that we have set up our Flutter well, and the Android application is built successfully. So now the next step is to open the Xcode. Open Xcode, and then click here, open a project or file. Then go to your project directory, YouTube Studio, Code, Flutter iOS, and then click on this iOS. Click open. This will open your Flutter project in Xcode. Then you can select your device here. I'm going to select iPhone 13 Pro, and then we are going to test the application in iPhone 13 Pro, right? So click on this play button. This will build the application. If you click here, you can see what process is going on currently. So it will show what's going on inside. Okay, build succeed. Okay, so this is our iPhone 13 Pro, and our application is running inside iPhone, right? So in this video we learned how to do that. You can just go ahead and check out my complete Flutter tutorial on how to build the Flutter applications, how to customize the application. So you can just check it out. If you like my video, please like and subscribe and share with your friends.